Now, there have been no cases of coronavirus identified in Kentucky, but city officials in Louisville and Lexington say if that were to change, they'd be more than prepared.
Today, Lexington Mayor Linda Gorton pulled together an internal city hall group to make sure we're ready to respond if we have to. LEX 18's Mike Valenti continues our big story team coverage.
Over the last several weeks, local health officials have been in and out of meetings and on conference calls, discussing what the CDC says is inevitable.
The chances are that it will arrive in the United States and in Kentucky just simply because of how viruses spread and how these outbreaks go.
And as the city's health commissioner continues to monitor the spread of COVID-19, Mayor Linda Gorton is tasked with making sure that in the case of an emergency, essential services can still function smoothly.
We're doing something about this. There is no need to panic, and we will work through it very methodically. The best way to deal with this, the cities that will fare the best, are those that plan.
Gorton did not want to dive into specifics, but she did say her next step is to organize a stakeholder meeting, bringing in leaders from the airport, Keeneland, schools, and elsewhere.
If, for example, the schools were to close because of this, we would recommend people go home. Stay with your family.
In the meantime, she says, treat this like you would the flu. Pay attention to advice from the CDC. Wash your hands, stay home if you're feeling sick, and call your local health department if you have concerns about recent travel to an affected country. In Lexington, Mike Valenti, LEX 18 News.